Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ka MLA jong kasang Kongres, Kamiani di Shira, ka Bami Kmat, ya ka Ampati Constituency, haka kat kandai terek mentau benai leber arhajar arpo, kalapan jing pensai, hapo ka darbar mang tingka, jong ka yeng darbar tauan kini kejela, halor ki projek beper-beper, balamang deka North Eastern Council, ya ka jela Meghalaya, na ka mentau senam arhajar kat kandai arhajar arpo. Kamiani di Shira kalapan jing pensai ru, ba menno ka North Eastern Council, kalapelat ya ka pisah na ka benta ban pentelun, ya ki projek haka ni kejela.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question number 17. A. So there are two projects sanctioned by NEC for the state during the year 2019-20. They are Project 1, upgradation of 9th mile on East-West corridor in Assam to Umsen via Killing-Pelankata Road, 29.872 kilometers between Meghalaya and Assam as an interstate road under the Northeast Road Sector Development Scheme. Project 2, Mukro-Umspar linking Jinkandem Road, 15.517 kilometers between Assam and Meghalaya as an interstate road under the Northeast Road Sector Development Scheme. Reply to star question 17B. Sir, the estimated amount of the projects as sanctioned by NEC are Project 1, 84.01 crores, Project 2, 58.01 crores. C. Sir, the total amount released by NEC so far are Project 1, 33.60 crores and Project 2, 11.00 crores. D. Sir, the current status of the projects are Project 1, final work order was issued on 21st of February 2020 and work is yet to start. Implementing agency, the state PWD. Project 2, physical progress is 8%, alignment and subgrade and shoulder preparation are in progress. Implementing agency is CPWD.
Honorable Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister whether there were any other projects which were proposed to the NSC but were not sanctioned?
Sorry, can you just repeat the question?
Sir, were there any other projects which were proposed to the NEC but not sanctioned?
Are you asking for 1920?
Yes.
Sir, in fact, there were two sections. One is for the roads itself under the Northeast Road Sector Development Scheme. So we had in fact submitted a long list of projects amounting, numbering 23 of them, and of course out of them 3 were submitted. I have the list, but it's too long to read. Apart from that, sir, a list for 1920 of other schemes are also ready, but we are still awaiting the final guidelines to be finalized for those particular project lists to be submitted.
Sir, may I know also the status of the other projects which were funded through NEC and were asked to stop for some time, and I don't know what is the status of the projects which were sanctioned in 17, 18, 18, 19. May I know, sir, through you?
So the primary question is related to 1920, but I have the entire details of 17, 18, 18, 19, and it's quite long, sir. So if the time permits, then I can go through a few of them. Sir, just to give a brief information to the honourable member and the House, so that Sir, in May 2018, the state government was requested by NEC to put on hold all the implementation of the new projects sanctioned during 2017-18 onwards till the new procedure for identification and approval of projects is fulfilled and fresh sanction is issued after following due procedure under the new guidelines. The NEC General Guidelines 2018 was approved by the NEC in 2018. Following that, sir, 23 projects were sanctioned by the NEC for the state from 2017-18 onwards with a total cost of 182 crores. Subsequently, the state-level empowered committee in the meeting held on the 30th of November 2018 has recommended 21 projects out of the 23 projects. And so far, out of the 21 projects recommended by SLEC, NEC has allowed the state government to go ahead and continue the implementation of 14 projects. So, sir, the lists are all here, sir, but as I said, it's exhaustive. Just thought I'd give a brief. But, sir, I just want to remind again that the primary question is for 1920s.
Mr. Speaker, sir, just one clarification from Honorable Chief Minister. Whether Damra Mindi Resuvelpara Bajengduba road, that interstate road, is also included in the list which could not be sanctioned, or this particular road has already been sanctioned in the preceding years?
No, sir, the mentioned road that the Honourable Member has mentioned, we had proposed some part of it in the list of the NERSDS road. But, sir, I think all the members know, though this is a separate subject, but it had come out in the Governor's address also. This road has been taken up under the integrated transport project, which has been funded under the World Bank. So that project has been taken up under that particular scheme.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I just want to know from the Honorable CM whether the government has any plan to propose Moluber Jikendeng Road under NEC, sir, which is located along the Assam-Meghalaya border.
So the list of the scheme that we have put up under Can you just repeat the name?
The name of the road is Moluber Jikendeng Road. Jikendeng. Moluber Jikendeng.
Sir, this currently, sir, we have not included this road in the list, sir. Is this one? No. This one, no? Is it the Khat Khalsa Mojem Jinkerdem Road? Is that what you're talking about?
Yes, sir, that's the one.
Yeah, yes. So we have tentatively identified to propose that under NERSDS for the next list that we will submit to.
Yes, Bapiti Sokme.
So may I know from Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from Honorable Chief Minister, because according to the reply, we could understand that two scheme has been sanctioned by NEC in the year 2019-20. I mean, this is the proposal of 2018-19. So may I know that how many proposals in the year 2018-19 that the state have been sending to NEC, sir?
So again, as mentioned, this question is primarily related to 1920. But just to satisfy the honourable member, we have submitted a list in 18-19 of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 schemes list have been submitted, apart from the list for the Northeast Road Sector Development Scheme.
Bas Lazarus.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister that I heard and I've seen from the social media that from Danadubi to Karongre and Secretary has been desanctioned. Whether it is true or not, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister?
So can you repeat the question, sir?
Yeah, please repeat the question.
My question is, Danadubi Karongre Road, which has been sanctioned or not yet sanctioned, I don't know actually exactly, but in the newspaper, in social media, and all NGOs from South Korea call me up that road has been desanctioned, whether it is true or not. Danadubi to Karongre.
Sir, it is a completely new question. I mean, and the honorable member also doesn't know whether it's been sanctioned or not also. So I don't think it'll be appropriate for me to reply without him having proper information and also it being a different subject, sir. So I think, sir, if he desires, sir, he can always come and...
Mr. Speaker, sir.
It's not in NEC, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think question should be specific to the question. Principal question. It should not deviate.
Exactly.
I think it also takes away lots of time of the House.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Yeah.
I would like to take part, supplement this question. This question 17. Okay, as what the Honorable Chief Minister had highlighted the House, the 19 project has been submitted. 1920, no? If I'm mistaken.
Sir, it was for 1819, 18 projects.
Okay, 18 project. Whether all the project has been sanctioned.
Sir, I think, sir, again, I want to go back, sir, that the primary question is for 1920. So, sir, I have the replies with me, but it just takes too much of time, sir.